In this yoga class, I will guide you step by step into the tree pose with simple variation you can choose from along the way. So this will help you with your balance, your focus, and it'll calm your mind. So let's just start. Let's start in mountain pose here. It's always in mountain pose. You have a wall, a chair, a couch if you want. I'm going to go to the side, show you with the wall. Tuck in the belly, tuck, tuck, tuck. Walk into place, big toe in, engage the leg, right? Now just notice which side is a little heavier than the other. You've got your wall here to grab, can grab the window. Just start sending all the weight into one foot. Still engage your leg. Got your wall. We're gonna go up with our heel. Toes are remain on the ground. This is your first variation. You can stay like that. Just open the knee out a little bit. I'm gonna adjust it so my foot is maybe centered with the arch of my balancing foot. And knee open. Maybe inhale one arm up. Maybe it's at your waist. And bring it in, other side, up, shift all your weight. When you're steady, open the hip. Maybe see if you want to let go or not the wall. That's a focus here. Sometimes just looking at that little speck on the wall helps a lot, or on the floor. Just focus on that little speck and it helps a lot with the balance. Oh my goodness. So you've got your wall, you've got your chair if you need to. And I'm just resetting here. This time we're going a tiny bit higher, or you can just repeat what we just did and work on that. So all the weight into one foot, it doesn't matter which one. We're gonna do the other side after. Open the hip. Open your toes wide. Lift and open the toe wide on the standing foot and grab the ground. Grab the ground. Feel the four corners of your feet. Growing roots through. Once you've got your balance, maybe bringing one leg, one foot under the knee. Nice little balance. Maybe your arms. Oh, shake, shake, wobble, wobble. It's all good. That's your body trying to figure it out and remembering where you can stand still. Hands can be wherever you wish. It's all good. Other side. It's like, ooh, let's reset this here. So plant your foot, grow your roots. Feel your foot open. And let's go for it. Inhale up, plant your foot, keep breathing. Now if you press your foot into your leg and your leg into the foot, this helps a lot. Just focus. You don't have to stay there very long. Wobble, wobble, that's all good. The floor is right there. You just have to put your foot down. Now if you want to put your foot a little higher above the knee, you've got your wall. I'm going to come a little closer. I may need it too. Yeah, there's those days we have that we need to hold on into something. We have less balance. So let's open the knee. And bring the foot up. You've got your wall right here. Knee is open. Nice hip opener here. And maybe see if you want to let go the ground. So I'm just gonna grab the floor first, the mat, and woo, wobble, wobble. It's good. Wobbling is good. Just see if you can stay there for a few seconds. Press your foot in your leg in your foot, and look at that little focus point. Nice inhale, exhale the leg down. Other side. Let's find our ground here first. Grab that. Grow your roots right through, like picture roots growing from under your foot and grabbing the ground for you. Slow, slow, and maybe one side just want to go lower, and that is cool. And just, ooh, I tried to close my eyes, but that's try it. I'm gonna hold on. Try to close your eyes, see how it goes. Here we are. Ooh, I'm gonna peek, yeah. It's a little much when it adds a little extra challenge. So let's finish in a nice forward fold. Inhale up, exhale down. Ooh. Oh, nice little release in the lower back. Oh, maybe a little flat back. We just learned that with the last class. Exhale down. Bend your knees, inhale back up and back in our mountain pose. Thank you very much for joining me today for this little quick reset. If you would like to continue with them, feel free to click a few more and have a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.